HubKoin Exchange Tutorials, the Wallet screen. The Wallet screen in your HubKoin account allows you to find out more information about your balances. It also allows you to send or receive funds. To access the Wallet screen, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click on the Sign In button in the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io, and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. On the top banner, you will see the heading Wallets. Once you click on Wallets, you will be redirected to the Wallet screen. The Wallet screen has two sections. The first section shows you your funded accounts or the assets you currently have. When you scroll down, you will see the second section, Unfunded Accounts. This section shows assets you do not have, but they are available through HubKoin. In the Funded Accounts section, you can select details to see additional information about that account. You will also see two small buttons on both options, an arrow pointing to the top right and a plus sign in a box. These options are for sending and receiving assets, which we will discuss later in the video. On the Details screen, when you scroll down, you will see two other sections, Transfers and Recent Activity. These sections will show you your past activity and help you keep track of your transfers, trades, withdrawals, and deposits. If you need more information regarding sending and receiving funds, please check out these other videos on our YouTube channel. These tutorial videos show you how to send and receive funds from multiple sources. Each of these videos is under 2 minutes and they explain everything you need to know. The link to the videos is in the description below. The Wallet screen in your HubKoin account allows you to find out more information about your balances as well as sending or receiving funds. We hope this screen assists you on your investing journey.